Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the runtime errors on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process. I will just share to you a very simple fix for this. So in the Windows search bar right here, type CMD, which stands for command prompt. Then you have to click on run as administrator on the right pane. Now here in this window, you need to type this command as of C space / scan now. It's as of C space / scan now. So hit enter. This process will take some time. This will scan for and repair system corrupt files, check for any integrity violations. So while the process is going on, let's just wait for this in a while so that we can run the second command. Do not close the window if the process is not completed yet. Okay. Now once done, we need to input or type the second command. It's DISM. It's DISM space / online space / clean up dash image space / restore health. It's DISM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health and hit enter. So this process will also take some time. This will repair your Windows image, and while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize but do not close the window. And here's a tip: if you are getting stuck at a certain percentage during the process, then just simply continuously press the space key on your keyboard. That might help you the process to be continue. And once this has been fully succeeded or completed, just simply close here and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.